Needless to say, I think today went pretty well. I think they're gonna want me back in the shop. So I just started in the office a couple days ago, doing marketing stuff, you know, placing ads here and there. So yeah, you can call me a jack of all trades. I own a lifted truck. I know how to market them. I'm pretty much master of none, jack of all trades.
Hey Cole, we're getting slammed back there. I got 2 customer pickups and it's almost 5. You're gonna have to put your last wheel and tire on yourself.
I've done this a million times. This is the first truck I've owned, but I'm sure it'll be easy enough. I mean, if I can market them, I can build them, right? Oh my God. Can't even lift the f***er up. Oh my God.
All around me are familiar faces.
Why is he in here?
You need some help?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I just wasn't pressing the right one. Where are they? Goodness gracious. I've been building trucks longer than you've been alive.
Who hired this kid?
When I built my truck, it's cross thread.
Okay, you built your truck?
I've worked with the companies to get the sponsorships. That's what I did. Easy. Let's go to the power tools. Listen, 19.
You know how to use one of those?
Damn right.
Come on.
What the hell? Where's the actual...
I don't know why the big Cole put wheels and tires on. He's the worst person for it.
What'd you forget now?
Dude, got the wrong bit.
Oh my gosh.
The wrong socket.
Do you even know what you're doing?
Yeah, I always know what I'm doing. We'll just make do with this one.
What? What does that even mean?
You know, just keep
pushing it?
Just keep ramming it until it goes. That's what they say. My only worry is they're gonna change me from the marketing department to the shop.
Sure as hell didn't look like no star pattern.
It was. I was just making sure, double checking. Been doing this for years. That could be the thumbnail.
How'd he do?
Terrible.
Why terrible? Looks pretty good.
I put the wheel on.
Yeah.
You put black lugs on when there's blue lugs there that match everything.
Dude.
Hey, sucker, grab that door!
Needless to say, I think today went pretty well. I think they're gonna want me back in the shop.
So we got sick of Cole in the shop, so we passed him off to the detail guys.